Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to calculate standard deviation in Google Sheets step by step. So let's begin. See this source data example. Apply to this formula equal A2 A6. Press enter autofill and population data. Apply the same process equal apply the same process A2 A6. Press enter. And now see this average. Double click. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.